Hi, this is Aliska STL Black Female Truck Driver. So I wanted to come on here and show you the planner that I use to write down my load information and track my miles. I use this planner so I can keep any receipts where I have to, if I have to get reimbursed, do that. So like whenever I get assigned my miles, and I like this because it has the tabs on it, the months, as well as, you know, the days. So right now we're in April. So I like the fact that it has a calendar, but then it also have where you can write information. So I go through here, and every day when I get assigned a load, I write down my load number, the BL, the bill of lading, the weight, how many pieces it is, and the PO number, and then whatever stores I'm going to for that day. I was not tracking my miles at first, but I just started tracking my miles. So I don't know if you can see, we're right here. I had 518. Let's see, I didn't write them down there, but I've been pretty good here. 349, 349, 347, and here's the calendar for April. And I've been tracking my miles, and right here on this day, I had double runs right here. So you'll see where I did my first run, and then I wrote down my second run that I had, and that's 2 runs in a day. But I've been writing down my miles so I can know, kind of track how much my check is going to be. You really have to be on top of your miles if you're on a dedicated account. And so I like this because I can go back and see what day I work, what day did I get the load on. And there's no discrepancy. I can always track it real easy. So that's why I use a planner that has the days of the week and the months on there. And then you can also, it has a little tab for notes back here as well, which I have some notes where I write down different stores information, an easier route to go to. But just wanted to come and show you my information and how I record my how many miles I get per week, or well, per day. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for following.